Create a beautiful pink colored hummus with the magic of roasted beets. To make my lemon beet hummus, add the chickpeas to the bowl of a food processor and add to it the tahini, olive oil, the juice of one freshly squeezed lemon, and roughly chopped garlic cloves. Place the lid on the food processor and start pulsing all the ingredients together, making sure to scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula. Add the roasted beets to the hummus and keep blending until smooth. To make sure all the ingredients are well combined, use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides of the food processor. A great trick to get a nice smooth and airy hummus is to add ice water a little bit at a time, blending in between each addition until the desired consistency has been reached. As you can see, it creates a smooth and delicious texture perfect for sandwiches and for dipping. Transfer the lemon beet hummus to a serving bowl, spread it out, then drizzle with some more olive oil and garnish with some crumbled feta cheese and freshly chopped parsley. Serve with freshly chopped vegetables and your favorite bread. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.